Okay, so everybody, hope everybody's having a great day today, or a great evening, whenever you see this video. So basically, this video is going to tell you, we're going to use some geometry skills to figure out the area and volume. Let's say if we was given a rectangle. So if you used to do this at home, all you need is a Stanley or any type of measuring tape or measuring stick. It's whatever you would need. Okay, so let's figure out what the dimensions are first. We're just going to do this in inches, okay? So if we was to do the length first, from the top, and we'll say that is approximately 65 inches. Okay, so that's going to give us the length. Alright, so there's our length. Now let's figure out what the width is. In the width, we'll say it's approximately 39 inches. Okay. Now you can be really more precise with it if you want to. We're just going to use approximations now, rounded to the nearest whole number. Alright, so you have your length, you have your width. So you can multiply those two together. That's going to give you the area. But what about volume? Okay, well we have to find the next thing after the length and the width is what we call height or depth. We're going to use depth for this one. So let's look at our window. So if we was to use depth, so you take your measuring tape, you stick it against like a window, something like that, and we'll say that the depth is about 3 inches. Okay? So I want you guys to figure out, now I've given you the dimensions, I want you to figure out the height, no, not height, excuse me, the area, which is the length times the width, and I want you to also figure out the width, which is the length times the height, and times your depth. And that will help you figure out the volume. Now just do not forget that area has to be inches squared, and the volume has to be inches cubed. You do not forget to put the units on there. That is very, very important. That it gives you a nice precision in mathematics. Okay, so I know you're going to see this video, more of these videos coming out as we go into May. So we're going to do some basically digital skills learning. So what we're basically going to do is do videos on real life mathematics. How would you apply mathematics in your home, outside. I'm going to try to do some videos in my parents' backyard as well, just to give you like just some stuff to do that you can do at home. Okay, hope you all have a great rest of your day or a great evening wherever you may watch this video. I hope you all are safe and taking care of your families or whatever you got going on. Thank you so much.